What it is, what's poppin', what's good? Good morning, my good peoples. Thank you for joining the Average Guy channel, where we do average things, where I talk about shoes, watches, and cars. My car in particular. So I got a quick unboxing for y'all. I got a new mod for the car. It is the Barton Shifter. I'm gonna show it to you guys. Put it on the car, show you guys an install. What I'm gonna do for the install is just do like a fast forward or speed up type of install. There's millions of videos out there where people show you how to do installs for the automatic Barton Shifter. That's probably one of the ones I'm going to use to do. I'm a much more visual instructor. When it comes to instructions, I like to see it versus me have to read it. So I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. Then after that, I'm gonna do a install of it. Like I said, it's gonna be fast forward. Then I'm just gonna do a review of it. I decided to go with the Barton Shifter other than the Hearst, because I've seen some video with a Hearst. Some of them didn't hold up over time, where the metal wasn't really metal. It was kind of plastic or peels off, XYZ. And I didn't know if I like the pistol grip shifter. I know that's kind of old school and synonymous to American muscle cars, but I think I like the ball better. Excuse the attire, it is morning where I'm at, representing the Panthers, so I got my robe on. So yeah, so let's just get quick in unboxing and see what it do. Now, I was already impatient. I got this about a day ago, so I kind of already went through and took out everything out the box and packaging. So, came in this plastic, and if I'm not mistaken, these guys are up north, so it's a local owner that makes them, and I think his last name is Barton. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, y'all let me know, bro. So the package was one of these packages right here. One thing that you guys need to do when you guys open this, or any kind of, don't rip it open, because it just all this dust all over the place. I can't even speak. What came inside the package is one of his stickers, if you will. All right. He has his some of his information right here as well. All right. This is the lock type for the ball when it screws onto the knob, so it doesn't unscrew off. These are some of the mechanisms that you use to when you do the install. So where you push it down, so you push it down, move it forward or backward, and it pops back up, instead of having the little trigger that's on the Dodge Challengers. This is the actual knob right here. All right, and it's good quality. It is metal. Yep, it's metal. So what would happen is, let me show you. So this is the ball. I went with white because my car is white, and I went with the actual shifters. As you can see, here go focus on here. All right, so the ball is really nice. Okay, so this gets screwed onto this, and that's how you do your shifting on that. So yeah, man, so I'm really excited to get this installed. It should be quick and easy. It shouldn't be that long, so I'm gonna do that. Let you guys know how to install it and do a quick review of it, drive it around, and end the video. Alright, we'll see each other soon. Alright, my good people, about to close this video out on the Barton Shifter. So I drove around a couple times to test the car out and kind of see how it drove. It drove really well. In the beginning, when I was kind of upshifting and downshifting, when I was downshifting, I kind of hear a little gringe, like a crunch part of it. I think it's probably just trying to get used to it. And making sure that it flows straight through, but upshifting worked perfectly well. It's really nice, man. It's way better than the stock shifter, and shifting the feel is better because the stock one's kind of like a T type of shifter, and this one is much more of that ball shifter. So I like it a lot better. So like I said, it upshifts and downshifts pretty well. I'm extremely satisfied. One thing that you should know, it is extremely cold in the morning. So if you live in the colder states, it gets really cold. That shifter, that knob or whatnot, is very cold to the touch, versus my old shifter, because I guess it was kind of plastic and whatnot, and the kind of glass, you didn't really feel how cold it was. For this one, it's really cold. So like I said, man, it's really good. Let me drive around with it right now real quick, just kind of have you guys kind of listen to it. So let me do that right now. But other than that, man, I think the shifter works very well. Let's start the car. All right, did I put my brakes up? No, I forgot this. Be quiet. I don't even see what I want. I'm just gonna go around the block real quick. All right. Put it in manual mode. So let me just go around the block. Right now I'm in first, so I'll just go around real quick, so you guys can kind of see and hear it. Go down this way, and you guys get to hear the car as well. Go into second gear. Up. Still recording, yeah. So I'm in third right now. I gotta find a better. So I got this mic that I got from Walmart. Downshift in second gear. Let's go down to this neighborhood. I got this mic that I hook up to my phone to kind of reduce the noise in the background. So still in second. Now I'm in third. Like I said, it's very smooth to the touch, man. It feels very manual, if you will, the feel of it. So it just feels like you're going to first and second gear back and forth or whatnot. But me having the automatic box, it's pretty good. Back to the second, so you can cut in. There you go. So I can't go too fast. I'm in the neighborhood, so go down to second. Let's go down to first. Second. Third. Alright. Yeah, man, so like I said, I definitely recommend going to fourth. Definitely recommend this shifter. Downshifting now. Downshifting again. Back to first. The price point was really good. I did get this on Black Friday, so there was a sale, but the regular price is not bad. It's handmade, great product, small company in the United States. So like I said, man, so like, comment, and subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. I am uploading a lot of car stuff. I need to do reviews on stuff that I already have on the car, so look forward to seeing that soon. Alright, so down So now I'm going reverse. So the way I kind of explained this before, you push down and you go back and forth or whatever gear that you're trying to put the car in, versus the little side button that came on stock. So yeah, man, I do have my other playlist, man. Thank you for joining The Average Guy, where we talk about cars, watches, and shoes, man. Just doing what an average guy does, man. Treat other people as you want to be treated. Put God first in everything they do. I'm out of here. Yeah.